You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Got a kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
Well, Martin's gonna come along with us. We're gonna go to the night bazaar. It's a little early, I think, but it's a little bit of a walk. You don't mind walking a little bit, do you, Martin?
No, I'm up for it.
Okay, so we're gonna take a walk down there, do some sightseeing. Yeah, it'll be fun. Yeah. I got a little tiny rock in my shoe. So this is the kind of the red light district of Chiang Mai.
August 1st.
August 1st?
Yeah, but I've been coming for the last 3 years. I like
It's pretty mellow, but I know it's early.
Oh, it's early, yeah. Actually, I've never been down here. I don't have any, maybe a couple of times.
Restaurant food. Is this not as bad? Not as bad. Do you drink beer?
I don't drink at all. I'm an Irishman that doesn't drink at all.
No wonder you're not allowed back in Ireland, huh?
Yeah, they disowned me. They disowned me. Actually, I was born in Scotland, grew up in Northern Ireland, and moved to Canada. So.
I'm a quarter Irish, but I don't know from where.
Yeah.
I'm Irish, English and German.
Uh-huh.
Half German.
Now you're doomed for the alcohol.
Yeah.
Party thing. And I know it's not really the party, it's the get together with the people, but it's so funny. I came down one night, and I was walking along here.
It's like an obstacle course.
I know.
When I first got here, I was like, oh, this is why Thai people are so skinny.
Yeah, they're up and down.
That's why people don't really look in the front, forward. They have to look at the front because they don't know what they're doing.
Đó tháng này cháu là chị béo quá kìa. Có hả 2 người phọn bài phọn. Đi nhiều ngộ ba phọn biết. Mà không có. Ở đây sao ạ?
Only XL.
Only XL. Side my down. I'll take that one. You want Burger King?
They take me to Burger King?
Yeah, you want Burger King?
No.
No, okay. The temple. Hard Rock Cafe. That's what it's called.
Go up to this way. Then you can get into the main part of the market, unless you want to go down this particular one.
No.
Sorry. That takes you further in. It goes on a long way. Actually, you can go
Just go take a quick look.
Gray color.
I have a gray already.
Oh, you have a gray?
So that's probably just food.
Yeah, this is a lot of the food out in the back here.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat anymore tonight. Oh. Okay. We could go back out to the main road. Okay, I know a couple subscribers had said I gotta go to Duke's to get it. One said pizza, one said steak. But we're gonna get a little pizza. We're not really hungry. Maybe a pizza and a beer. Paige says, yeah, okay. Okay. Cheers, Soapy Queen. Said cheers. You're not an alcoholic. Cheers. Cheers.
Dude. It's so fun.
Wow, that's really good. And just in case you're wondering, because I know I told you guys my time limit, 6 o'clock. I got that today. Yeah, hand painted on the umbrella place.
Oh, that's kind of
Yeah, really good, really good.
And my buddy who's in Chiang Mai.
You know, I said large pizza. That.
No, you said balang size.
Did I say balang size pizza? Oh shit. That is a large pizza. That is a large Hawaiian pizza right there. I think we're gonna have to leave some behind. You guys want some pizza? Come on and get it. This is not for me. Yeah. This is it doesn't pay to be a big person.
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of stuff happening. Do you know the name of this road?
This is Loy Crow Road.
Okay. Loy
Crow.
Loy Crow Road.
เม็ดเนี่ยเห็น
ไปนั่งกินจะได้เจอเพชรนะเป็นว่า
A little different at night.
But I don't come into a tropical place
Yeah.
if you don't willing to put up with sunblock. And now that Jingju, when Jingju gets him a room or something, okay, he'll be here for a while. He'll go. But I don't want to see cockroaches. I don't
No.
want to see. I can live with some things, not
Wanna look
others.
with the road?
No. Good morning. It was too dark to film anymore. Had a great night. The pizza was really, really good. Was the pizza good? The pizza was good. The sauce is a little sweet, but it's okay. The crust was perfect. But that's the place to go get steak in the area, which I probably should have just done that. But got the steak. We went for a little walk. We went for a little walk down the walking street in the night bazaar area. A little bit different at nighttime. Got a little crazy later on in the night, but we're headed to our next stop. Actually, we're headed to go eat breakfast, and we're gonna go check out a hot springs on the way to Chiang Mai. So a couple nights in Chiang Mai, and then where are we going after that? Nan. Okay, let's go eat some breakfast before we get run over. Thank you guys very much for all the wonderful comments. Please don't forget to click the like button. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe if the internet's good on the next video. Bye. It's a little chilly this morning. It's colder in Chiang Mai, huh? Okay. See you guys later. Bye. If I fall down. This is an obstacle course.